How long do you think you'll live? Researchers say that human life expectancy will probably never surpass 115 years. To us, that may seem like a long time, but to some animals, that's nothing. Scattered around the world, there are animals that have watched generations of humans come and go. These creatures have mind-blowing lifespans, like 11,000 years or more. Today, we'll be looking at the top 10 longest living animals. And, spoiler alert, we're not one of them. Number 10 is the albatross. An albatross has a wingspan of 3.5 meters and a lifespan that averages 40 years. In 2018, a 67-year-old albatross named Wisdom hatched what is believed to be her 36th chick. Number 9, the geoduck. This is a saltwater clam that can live for 160 years. Their long siphons can grow to 1 meter in length, and yes, they can look a bit suggestive. Number 8 is the red sea urchin. While most red sea urchins live for 30 years, some have been known to survive for over 200 years. Their gonads are a sushi delicacy called uni. I think I'll stick with my California roll, thanks. Number 7, koi. The koi are a domesticated variety of the common carp. They have an average lifespan of 30 years. But some will live much longer. One famous koi in Japan reached the age of 226. Number 6, the giant tortoise. The longest living vertebrate on land, the giant tortoise has an average age of about 100 years. An Aldabra giant tortoise who died in 2006 reached the age of 250. Number 5 is the bowhead whale. The second largest mammal on the planet, the bowhead whale lives for an average of 200 years. It's believed that the cold Arctic water helps slow their body's aging process. So why are we wasting our time with all these anti-aging creams? Let's just go for an icy dip. Number 4, the Greenland shark. The Greenland shark lives for 300 to 500 years. It has the longest known lifespan of all vertebrate species. By studying the biological adaptations that allow these sharks to live so long, scientists believe that we can unlock the secrets to extend our own longevity. On to number 3, the ocean quahog. The ocean quahog's lifespan was thought to be 225 years, but this specimen was confirmed to be 507 years old. It's unknown how long it could have lived had it not been harvested. Number 2, the sponge. No, not the cleaning tool, although some of those have unfortunately long lifespans. Monoraphis chuni, a species of sponge that lives 300 meters underwater, lives for 11,000 years. Other immobile marine creatures, like red coral, can live for 500 years. And coming in at number 1, the immortal jellyfish. Our number 1 animal will never appreciate the saying, life's too short, because their lives go on, well, forever. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish is the planet's only known immortal species. Once it reproduces, it reverts back to a polyp stage and gets to live its life over and over again. Imagine the possibilities. Do you know any animals that live for an extremely long time? Would you even want a lifespan that long? These long-living life forms really put things into perspective, and that's why they're crazy creatures.